Hi, today we are going to unbox and Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse with VK. Hi VK.
Hi Leon. Yeah, we're going to be unboxing this box, and this is a new box, so let's unbox and make sure you put a thumbs up.
We'll show them the background of that box, right?
Yeah, sure. Then. Okay, now
Yes.
I will be surprised if you get a Mega GX or something. Then I'll die.
Yes. Let's see.
Oh, that like that dragonfly guy.
Let's see. Robert.
Yeah, I guess I have to go back.
Huh?
I forgot to say I had the purple box, like the purple color box of that. It's a new one. Like I will be unboxing that later.
Ah, let's do that, okay?
Yeah, let's do that. I don't think you will get anything new. Oh, that's what is that? Ultra Beast, right?
What did I show?
I also saw like a full screen, like a full art picture. I mean, is that a video?
Oh, yes. Diaga and Palkia.
No way.
GX.
No way. No way.
It is so super.
No,
I like that.
I don't even have it yet. You got it?
It's super rare, I think so.
Yeah. How much you want for it?
I don't know. A shining card.
Oh yeah, shiny.
Hello on me.
Oh, Turcat. I have all
I
this
can see
stick.
another one.
Is there a new? Oh, I saw another one over there. Wait, the before one was a tag team, right? Yeah, yeah.
Oh shit. Oh,
Oh my God. Wait, what's that? I can't see proper. Oh my.
that's a Solagio and Lunala. GX tag team.
Wait, Runa's also there. Oh, that's a trainer.
Oh, that's so super.
It's also a tag team. Whoa. It's the
Yeah. A lot. Ha. Slap up. Hi. Oh.
Wait,
I got like this.
wait. Don't, no,
Do not
really.
tell what I'm thinking about that. Do not tell. You and me too tag team.
Oh,
No way.
no, it's on, like, I'm speechless.
And I got
You're too lucky, no.
yes. I'm gonna put a recap.
You got three in one. Can you remember like the golden box I unboxed? I got a lot, right?
Yes.
I got the
Yes,
whole,
you got yeah.
yeah, I got like,
I like a tag team luck is there with me.
I know. Oh, add that to the collections now. Is that your first tag team, you two?
Yes, I don't have and last yes. I will find you for that.
Oh my God. You're too lucky. How much? Oh wait, no, never mind. Well, I was lucky.
Yes.
We are gonna be unboxing another box. I'm going to be unboxing another Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse board, like in 24 hours. So yeah, or maybe I'll,
Ready?
yeah, be ready. Maybe I'll upload it today. Like we both will be uploading it today or tomorrow. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you put a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.